In this question and answer video section, I want to answer yet another question that is common with persons in the data analysis field. And that question is this: I have learned much in data analysis. How do I stand out in the job market? Yeah, many of us who love data analysis have moved from other roles, other work roles, and we've come to data analysis. We've learned a lot in data analysis, and we want to get a job. We want to be able to stand out in the job market and get a job. Then you've got those who have championed that path right from their university school days, and they are now out. They want to get a job that they can do. They want to stand out in the job market. The question is, how do I stand out? So there have been a lot of suggestions about your CV, your resume. How do you put that? Uh, how do you put that into perspective? How do you make sure that your CV is able to get you to stand out before the hiring manager? For me, I'm somebody who do not just like CVs. If I was president of the world, I would be the first person to say CVs no, and they will be out. The reason is that CVs do not really tell if you're the best candidate, or it only tells that you've been good in structuring your CVs or your resume so that you'll be selected. So there could just be a guy out there who is very good with his job in data analysis, not, but maybe did not exploit resources to improve his or her CVs, and that person is not taken. So I've always liked a situation where um, somebody is stands out because of what he or she can do. You know, they get to see what he or she can do. And that is why you have some hiring managers, they don't stop at the CV. They want you to go and solve a problem. Tell me how you solve the problem. Tell me what the problem is. Tell me how you went from, problem to solution and insight and all of those things. And that helps them to make a selection that, okay, this person knows what he's doing, he can handle the job, and he can do what we want him to do. So just from that comes my suggestion to how you can stand out as an individual. My suggestion is this: every opportunity that you can make yourself known, every opportunity that you can make yourself visible to as many persons as possible, you need to exploit that. Number one, think about maybe a school or a group, a forum, or whatsoever that might be interested in something data analysis because you already have the skill. Can you go there and give a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour tutorial lecture or whatsoever on data analysis? And then while you're there, can you get a recording of this? And so when you get the recording, what are you doing with the recording? Can you just go to your channel, even if you don't want to open a specific channel, as long as you have Gmail accounts, you have a YouTube account. Why not go there and put it there? Let as many persons get to know what you can do, how you do your things, and why you are good at doing what you're doing. That really helps in making you to stand out. Another thing is you could choose problems that you can solve, make a recording of that, solve it, and then put it there out there on YouTube. And I'm going to tell you the advantage of doing all of this. You get it. So by the time you make such recordings and put them there, just compare it with somebody who does not do any of this. So you see that you now have a YouTube site or channel that you can refer people to go and see what you're doing. Not only would they see what you're doing, such things as the number of subscribers, the number of likes, give credence to the fact that what you're offering is something that is valuable and shows that you know what you're doing. So nothing stops you from, giving a link to your channels to hiring managers to really see what you can do and how you do what you do. You see, almost often these are just opportunities that would put you at the forefront in the marketplace to get a job. There is a third advantage that comes from this. Some of your first, do I call them clients or people you will work for are almost often those persons that see you on your YouTube channel, you know, um, doing what you do best. They see you can do it and they feel that, okay, let me get in touch with this person to carry out this task for me or not. And they come in different ways. One is they might be entrepreneurs, one-man businesses that wants you to do one kind of analysis or the other for them, and which they'll part with some money because they know that you know what they want you to do. So they will reach out for you, and you start getting some, real life experience on what business needs and how you can solve those problems. Now, they could also be students who want you to support them in their research work that needs a lot of data analysis and so on. And they reach out to you and you are able to do that task for them. So you're already having hands-on experience. Even maybe if you've not got into a data analysis job, you already have hands-on experience that you can talk about, you know. So that can really help out. Now, the third kind of persons might be people who say that no, I want you to do one-on-one with me and teach me how to do this or how to do that. You know, and while you teach, you perfect your knowledge. Even if it is something you do not know very well, you are able to get that knowledge because it's most likely your skill of teaching that they want to exploit. You get it? They know they can get this knowledge, but they just love the way you teach, they love the way you explain and all of that. And then they want you to put them through some data analysis job. So it could come in any of those different ways. But now you're making people know what you can do. You're making people endorse you for what you can do. And that is very, very important. That's a very good social currency, or job currency, what we call it, whatever it is, that can give you a foot in the doorway as if it were when it comes to getting jobs. So I'm not saying don't write CVs. You could write CVs. You could use AI tools to perfect your CVs and all because the hiring managers they also use AI tools to do some selection and all of these things. There is AI competing with AI these days when it comes to CVs and all of that. But you could boost your chance of getting a job in the job market by just making as many persons as possible to know what you can do. And I think uh, um, uh, places or avenues or forums like YouTube, like forums where you discuss data analysis, like LinkedIn and all those others, give you an opportunity to let as many persons know what you can do. Never be ashamed to do to start or to start. You would improve over time, And the problem is that if you are not starting now, you're going to start somewhere, and those improvements will never come while you have not started. Those improvements come when you have started to do something. So put up your first video, forget about what it is. Go to check the videos of other persons, their earlier video. They are not as good as the current videos that they are putting up. The video you'll see now of me most likely will not be as good as the videos that I put up in the next 5 years. You get it? So, but the thing is that you communicate something to people watching that you're good at doing something. And that's just enough. You don't know when they will want to reference you and say, okay, I know this person and I think this person can do the job. Because much of the jobs that people are getting now is actually through internal referrals. So if these internal referrals feel that no, I know a guy, he's doing quite well. I've watched his videos, but he's somebody who wants to get a job and is actively looking for a job, you most likely will be in their mind and reaching out to you. I think there is an opportunity. Can I get you to you know, get into this opportunity and so on. And there you are, you just get in your way. And for data analysis or analytics roles, these are very good possibilities and these are very good ways you can make yourself stand out in the job market. So you want to exploit it, exploit it. See how it works. Let it be an added advantage, in your search for a job. And here is me wishing you um, a job in the earliest possible, time in the near future. I know a lot of us are struggling, to be out there to get a job and everything, but just try this approach. I have a strong belief. I've experienced it in my own career, and I think it's going to help you too. As many persons as possible. That's just the objective. As many persons as possible should know what you can do, should know how good you're doing what you can do, and that will make you stand out in the job market in any job, but this time around in data analysis or data analytics related jobs. Thank you very much. I'll see you in yet another video.